packing. Nasty little devils, but tasty if you know how to cook them.
Nice.
Yep, keeping that handy.
It's a telepathopus.
Oh, not for fuck's sake. No, not. Not you again. Killed 20 of you before, go away. Dead.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Fuck yeah.
Did my brother teach you to do that?
No. Great, guess I have to protect him while he's on this now.
I actually had a lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Yeah.
Going on about 10 years now.
Okay.
Fishing was just starting to get...
Okay. Okay. No way. That was easy. God, leave off, go away. Shit. If this could hover this whole time, why didn't you do that to stop them from coming out of the water?
More puffoids.
You fucking idiot.
Handle this right. I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand? Come on.
That's the easy way to do things. Money! Give me money.
Here comes some more.
Wow, you look at that.
Fuck this.
Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts and such. And one day...
It's the shittest weapon on the game.
I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days. It's another
Oh, piss off. Telepathic pussy. Piss off.
Oh boy. Out of ammo.
Ow! Shit. Stop moving!
Oh, great. More puffoids.
For fuck's sake. Oh, shit.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Fucking nightmare, those things, man. What's next? What's over there?
So how's old Grim doing these?
Float it so they don't jump on the damn boat.
Moved here from the Polaris galaxy.
You see them?
He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs.
And now you're a galactic ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy.
Shit.
You proton scrubs.
Okay, don't look at settings while you got fish on board. That's a bad idea.
It's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out.
Okay. I'm doing that again.
Ah, great. Thanks. Come on. It's not too far now.
Fuck for that.
Oh boy, that's not good. Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puff Boys are giving them a run for their money.
Wait, are they fight?
Able to reach my friend until the ground troops are cleared out.
We're on it. Stay here and keep safe.
Wait, are they good? No, they're not good. What's this?
I think that's the last of them.
I am detecting another bridge control switch in the vicinity. We should activate it so Felton is not left behind.
Skill.
Sorry, I'm a little out of shape.
It's alright, mate. Gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do, gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
God is here to kill.
Look, over there! The Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there. The guys on my holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City.
Ratchet and Clank loves doing those fucking massive things.
Yeah, that's Al. He's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Shit.
Look, over there! The Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke.
I wasn't expecting that at all. For fuck's sake.
The guys on my holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
The fuck is shooting me?
But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Why do you lie, stupid? Mr. Zircon only wishes.
Seriously, mate. Fucking do it.
Mr. Zircon needs no nanotech to survive. Mr. Zircon lives on fear.
Ow! You make me not like this fucking game. Seriously, you dropped fuck. Did I just see another one? For fuck's sake. Look at my health, and I've got no fucking ammo on that rocket. I need help, I need help, help me! How do I break these? I can't break them.
Enemy down.
I got 5. How did I get 5?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
If I get hit once, I'm dead. Fucking dead!
Look over there. The Poketar.
Fuck off, I've got to do both again.
With any luck, my engineer friend will be there.
Who is your friend?
The guys on my holo game forum call him.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Fuck's sake.
Okay, Mr. Zircon is bored with Furball. Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Got him.
Little dead little aliens. 4 little 5 little dead little aliens.
Just die! Leave me the fuck alone.
Greetings, soon to be dead alien.
Ow. Distract them. Just go fuck this guy. Fuck off.
Here it comes. Good work.
Got another one.
Let's get inside. Hey, Al. Can you open up?
Fuck's sake, that took so long.
Come on, don't make me say it.
Your call. I have Lexi Alliance and Fire Anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.
Hey, Ratchet, Clank! Small galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing?
Did all this to fucking see you again.
These hydro harvesters. You think you could help us up onboard weapon system?
Always happy to help the Galactic Rangers. How about a Tesla Blast weapon kit? It uses polarized electro-emitters to increase propulsion by 128.7%. Even a raritanium hull is no match for those babies.
Sounds like exactly what we need. You lead the way. We'll cover you.
fucking jump.
I'm starting to get real tired of these blogs. You know they show
Stop going, look!
to speak on a panel about everything wrong with comic book-based holo films. All the great bloggers were
Whoa, I thought I fell off.
stupid.
Hey, where'd you go?
Come here, relax.
And Smoot was there? Really? Oh, I love her. She hates everything.
Wee,
There isn't a holo
Wee.
film, game, or online
wee,
she hasn't shredded
wee.
the section. You know, that kind of judgment takes real skill.
The fuck is on your head? Hello. The fuck, he's looking at him like I was to kill him. Let's see the other guy. Hello. Wait. Yeah. Where are we going? Why have you taken?
We've reached our destination.
Why have you taken me back to my ship? Was I just saying? What was I doing? I found him. Now what?
I got all kinds fully loaded.
Wait! I was
Let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system.
fucking trying to do something, mate.
Weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
Just fucking trying to get an upgrade.
What are you waiting for? Take out those hydro harvesters.
Remember, normal ammunition won't damage those hydro harvesters. Use your Tesla rockets. Shoot down those Blarg saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
Oh. Fuck off.
I don't think we're doing much damage with these guns.
Fuck off.
Gotta switch to... It's working!
Ah! X. Why am I pressing X?
We're almost out of Tesla rockets. You got it!
Ow! Ow. Can you fucking leave me alone?
We're almost out of Tesla rockets.
Alright, I heard you the first time. Can you fucking... Whoa!
Monsters are about to attack. Do a barrel roll.
How do I do? Oh, okay.
Mission replenished.
Wee! Wee!
I love it when things go boom.
Oh boy.
We require rockets. Concentrate fire on those Blarg saucers.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
How the fuck am I possibly picking them up?
Ammo.
That's one hydro harvester down. 2 to go. Chairman, one of the Galactic Rangers is on Poketaru. He's taking out our hydro harvesters. Now you listen to me. I want that water. Failure is not an option. Destroy the Galactic Ranger, or I'll make sure the first person buried on the planet is you. Yes, Chairman.
Give me the ammo, give me ammo, give me ammo. Go away, go away, go away, go away. Don't nothing stop. Right, where are those fucking things?
Nice shot.
All systems restored.
Yeah, one hydro harvester.
Go away, go away, go away. Oh yes, go away. Nah, pussy. Right, that's the last one. Thanks. Whee.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
The resort. And probably the entire planet.
Right, I hope I don't have to land this thing.
Day's work.
Yay. Right, glad that's done. What's next? I think there's an optional one in there, but I'm not doing the optional ones. Because they're just like collecting things, and that's long.
Say, if you two need any more upgrades, I'm your guy. How about a new thruster pack? I just downloaded the holo plans last night, and they are sweet.
That certainly sounds useful.
I don't even know what it is.
Avionics port, updating the software, updating, still updating, and presto! She's all ready for you. Technically, you need a Class B license to operate one of the beauties, but
Well, he just got new arms.
to our Galactic Rangers,
Wasn't expecting that.
it should help you access those pumping stations.
Clean up. Yeah, I'm not doing them. I might come back to all the optional stuff at the end, if I can be bothered, because this game has been stressing me the hell out.